Top 5 Zimbabwean Proverbs and their meaning. Anokurumidza chitsva chiri mutsoka.
The meaning. Seize opportunity when they arise and take action when luck is on your side.
Rwendo rurefu haruzikanwi.
The meaning. The true nature of a journey is not known until it ends.
Pfuma yenhaka inosanganisira nemombe.
The meaning. Wealth gained through dishonesty will eventually be lost.
Tsika dzake dzega moto.
The meaning. One's actions can have serious consequences.
Munhu nekuda kweupenyu.
The meaning aligns with the concept of Ubuntu. Is a philosophy that emphasizes the interconnectedness and shared humanity of individuals. Ubuntu. I am because we are.